Goa. Now let's switch gears. From the spiritual depths of Varanasi, we head to Goa, the land of sun, sand, and susegad. Whether you want to party all night or just chill by the beach, Goa has something for every traveler. First things first, the beaches. Baga and Kalanguti are where all the action happens, beach shacks, water sports, and music that never stops. But if you're looking for something quieter, head to Palolem or Aganda, where the waves gently kiss the shore and palm trees sway in the breeze. Goa isn't just about beaches, though. The Portuguese influence is everywhere, from the stunning Basilica of Bom Jesus to the colorful Latin quarter of Fontainhas. Strolling through these streets feels like stepping into a different era. And oh, the food. Goa's cuisine is a mouth-watering mix of Indian and Portuguese flavors. Try Goan prawn curry, babinka, a layered dessert, or if you're feeling adventurous, be warned, it's spicy. Whether you're sipping a fainy cocktail by the beach or exploring the spice plantations, Goa isn't just a destination, it's a feeling. And once you're here, you won't want to leave.